All right, so in this tutorial, we're going to go over some basic commands you can set up for your bot. Those commands are going to be pinging your bot to see if it's online. We're also going to do coin flip and rock, paper, scissors. Okay, so the first command we're going to do is the ping command, which goes as follows: bot.command, and we're going to call it async function, define ping, and we're going to take in the context. We're going to wait context.send pong. Now we're going to go and check to see if this works. So I will start this Python file here. Wait for the bot to come online. The bot is on. Before we can get this command to work, what's happening is when we add the on message, if the on message doesn't capture anything that it's looking for, like hello Python bot, it's going to do nothing. So what we need to tell it to do is to await bot and then process the commands after this. So when I go ahead and restart the bot, get it online, we check on the server and I run the ping command and we'll get a response of pong. Next, what we want to do is add a coin flip ability. So the bot can do coin flips for us to make decisions. Command async, define the function as coin flip. And we're going to take in the context. We're also going to import another library. It's called random. So I'm going to go up to the top and import random. And this is going to give the bot the ability to randomize the coin flip. So if we go back to coin flip and num equals random dot rand int 1 or 2, if the number equals 1, await context and send heads. If the number equals 2, then we want to send tails. Okay, so now that we got this implemented, let's give it a test run. I'm going to run the application, wait for it to come online, go into our server, and we're going to execute the command coin flip. Okay, so we did coin flip and it returned heads, so that looks great. Okay, so now we're going to create our final event, which is rock, paper, scissors. And from this, we're going to use a little bit of emojis. You can get emojis from Emojipedia. You can search for emojis and select them and then copy them. Once they're copied, you can add them into your source code here. I'm going to have some emojis that I added. You can either get them from the source code or you can get them from Emojipedia themselves. Let's get into adding the rock, paper, scissors command. So bot.command async define rock, paper, scissors command, and we're going to take in the context. We're also going to take in the hand that the user adds to the message. So the hands available are going to be the following. And once again, you can copy this from my GitHub repository, or you can find them on Emojipedia. Add them here. So this one's scissors, paper, and then rock. The bot hand is going to be random dot choice, and then pick from one of the hands that we implemented in the list. And the bot hand is equal to that choice. So we're going to await context, send the bot hand. And then we're going to do some logic to decide the bot's hand and who wins the outcome. So if hand equals bot hand, then we want to await context and then send it's a draw. Otherwise, we will do the following. So else if the hand equals scissors, and if the bot hand equals paper, await context dot send you won. If the bot hand equals rock, then context dot send the bot won. Otherwise, if the hand equals, let's say, paper, then we want to do the following. If the bot hand equals rock, then we want to say, obviously, you won. And if the bot hand equals scissors, then the bot won, right? Finally, if the hand equals rock, you want to do the following. If the bot hand equals paper, sorry, if the bot hand equals scissors, then you won. If the bot hand equals paper, then the bot one. All right, so now that we have rock, paper, scissors implemented, let's save our changes and give it a test run. So I'm gonna start up the bot, make sure it's online, go to our Discord server and type in the rock, paper, scissors command. And we are going to add one of the commands for one of the emojis for rock, paper, scissors. I'm going to choose paper. I guess the bot also chose paper, so I'm going to. Okay, so if I send rock, paper, scissors with one of the different emojis, the bot will respond with its own emoji. And we can see who won. When I threw rock this time, eventually the bot threw paper and the bot won. Nice. Okay, so that was the tutorial on command basics for your Python bot. The next thing we're going to go over are cogs. So I will see you there.